EBT double up functionality is now in production. If you have a funding source, you're welcome to start using it. If you don't have a funding source, you can get started by navigating to this button here. I don't have a funding source. If you click these QR codes or scan them, in fact, you can pick them up right off this video. You could learn more about double up incentives and begin offering free produce to EBT card holders. This free produce then is reimbursed to you by the funding source of the government nature, I suppose. So let me quickly demonstrate how the functionality works. I already have my EBT split, which you could be familiar with. If not, these are the items that in Clover we're indicating as approved for EBT. Everything else will not be approved for EBT. And then we also have assigned double up qualified items. And so I just selected this one item here. So this right here is a subset of the items that we have selected as EBT. And here we've indicated that this particular item is qualified for these double up coupons. The match ratio indicates the conditions. In my case, for every $1.50 spent, the consumer will get $1.50 back, up to $15.75. This amount is per transaction, and pardon the odd numbers, we're just testing out the decimal points, and the idea behind it is that using this formula here, you can set whatever ratio you want. So for every $1, people can get 50 cents, or they can get $1, one-to-one match, whatever, and you can spell out the max. Now, to get this discount, people have to pay with EBT. And if they don't pay with EBT, the coupon will not print. All right, and at the moment, the only possibility here in the benefit is the coupon. All right, so, and you have to give in the settings, like you have to open the settings and accessibility, and you have to click on the inventory plus and make sure that it's turned on like this, so that the coupons can be accepted. Now we have this set up. Let me go ahead and just check real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and hit save here. And the EBT reports is about reporting, and these reports will be emailed monthly to your funding source, whatever email you indicate for the funding source, and also to you. There's more reports that don't get sent, so only double up qualified redemptions report gets sent on a monthly basis. All the other reports are just there on demand, and you can look at them at any time. Let me go ahead and actually run a few transactions. So we are in order. I'm gonna go ahead and hit all items. And right away, I'm just gonna grab this item here because it qualifies both conditions. It's double up and it's EBT. And you're going to see that it puts it in the EBT items. And then if we hit pay, it'll give us the message about double up split. If we don't want to see that message anymore, we can just say don't show it again. And really what it says is that the double up, oh, not double up, but the EBT items are in the split by guest right here. And you can just pay for these items with your EBT payment type. Now, bit of trickery. This item here is a test device, so I don't actually have EBT item, but let's go ahead and pretend that I'm paying with EBT. And regardless whether or not I print receipt or not, a coupon will get generated because all the conditions were met. I've paid with EBT. Well, in my case, it's a pretend EBT, but I did pay nonetheless. And the item was qualified. And so as a result, we have this coupon that's worth $15.75 that we can now use on our transaction towards this item or all items that are approved for these coupons, which is selected in the app. Let me just go ahead and just do like £1. So we have, so now we have $6.25 due. We have $15 coupon. We can just, there it is. All right, so that worked. Here we go. We have our $6.25 paid for, and we can just go ahead and close out this empty transaction and done. And it's going to print the remainder because we only used $6.25, and the remainder of that coupon will not be lost. So here it is. We have $9.50 printed, and we can just keep going with these coupons. There's another one. Cancel. And we can go ahead and scan this barcode. Here's our coupon. Double up. Close out the transaction. Done. And we're going to get yet another coupon because still there is a remainder balance. We're going to go ahead and click on, for example, this item. We're just going to do 1 pound of it still. So we have $6.25 and we have $3.25. Now we're going to scan the $3.25. So that depletes this coupon. That's done. And now we are at the $3 transaction. And remember, $3 qualifies us for up to $3 coupon. So we should, assuming that this right here is an EBT payment, we should get the $3 against that. Yep, there it is. So you get the idea how these things work. And then basically you go to inventory settings and reports. And you'll notice that whatever transactions we ran today, they're here. There they are, $6.25, $6.25, $3.25. And you know, we can send this email report, but it will get sent automatically on its own at the end of the, or beginning of the month rather. Coupons issued, claimed, so coupons issued. So right now, currently we have these coupons out there, the $3 one and the one that's $9.50. And we have coupons claimed, everything that we just ran through today with you. There it is. And so that's kind of how that works. Again, if you are looking to enable this with your store, you need a funding source. If you don't have a funding source, go to and scan, well, I'm gonna pull up these QR codes and you can scan them and learn about funding sources. Oh, here we go. Here are the QR codes that you can scan to, you know, get more information on the funding sources. Thank you.